Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobiying Jompi.
Menteri Jongkatanat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jela ubak lak kemen rembui ula ong. Ba katanat Puli Putih jong ke Sorkar Jela kan sa shimrai hapo shisngi arsngi kumno ban shimrai na kabenta kito ki Khynnah Skul ki balado ban lek Thoh ya ke Eksamin na kadaw ka jing syakta ha ka jing wan lenshop jong ki bor ka mariang ka balajia ha ka lasngi ubalay jong ka sautarik ubna yayong ar hajar ar puar. Hagajing yakran bat kilat pathai khubor ba lakmen ulaong ba katanat Puli Putih kan sapanya ka kaipot bat kan sa shimru ya karai nang bagi Khynnah Skul ki balado no ban lik Thoh ya ka Eksamin ki namat ya ka jingdu nong.
Yes, there is a report that some of the students missed their exam because of this severe rainfall in the state of Pyrkhat, which many roads have been disconnected, and we from the Education Department, we have already seized the matter, and the decision of what to be done will be coming out within next 1-2 days. I didn't have any record with me, but for that particular day, that day before yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, so that the department will seek a report, and we will do the thing so that the student will not lose due to this rain which play havoc in the state of Meghalaya.